And I said I go to bed to leave this day in the past. And you wrapped your arms around my chest. I just want it to last. Waking up at your side after all night. I don't wanna regret what I did for the whole time. Just tryna get ahead of myself. Your company is what I needed for help. Since you here, I've been clear by my options. Never hating, been creating the life I always wanted. I want you. The things I've gone through, my fears disappeared the moment I saw you. But I had to fight along to deserve what I'm on now. But it paid off. And I said I go to bed to leave this day in the past. And you wrapped your arms around my chest. I just want it to last.
Hey, what's the matter, honey?
I don't sleep 'cause when I do, all I dream of you. And in yours you say the keys are falling out. I don't sleep 'cause when I do, all I dream of you. And in yours you say the keys are falling out.
Yeah. Yes, I threw away my phone in case you'd ever call. I never leave my house in case I meet you at the mall. Never talk to my friends that you friends with, because I know they gonna ask why we ended. Anything to do with you, I keep it on the low. Used to wish that you would stay, now I'm wishing you would go. So I came up with a remedy I promised I would keep. In order to ignore you, I'll just never fall asleep.
I don't sleep 'cause when I do,
When I do,
all I dream of you.
they all of you.
And yours you say the keys are falling out.
Yeah, yeah. I don't sleep 'cause when I do,
all I dream of you. And in yours you say the keys are falling out.
yeah. I haven't slept in like a year, my fear keeps me awake. Cause if I doze off, then I might see you face to face. I just turn on my TV and sit straight up onto my couch. Cause when I doze off, I hear the words from your mouth. Used to wake up uncontrollably crying like every time. Getting shivers, feeling sick whenever you would cross my mind. So I came up with a remedy I promised I would keep. In order to ignore you, I'll just never fall
I
asleep.
don't sleep 'cause when I do, all I dream of you. And in yours you say the keys are falling out.
Falling out.
I don't sleep 'cause when I do, all I dream of you. And in yours you say the keys are falling out.
New day, new song, new problem. New clothes, it's cold in autumn. Leaves fall right to the bottom. I miss you, but I won't call you. Bags on my eyes, they think that I'm high. Oh, you said you loved me, but then you said bye. I don't care, the pain make me. I'm post-death till my heart stops aching. I'll fucking scream till my voice box breaking. It's fuck life till the reaper take me. Do you wanna be mine?
in my car, night ride. If the function's such, then fuck, I gotta slide. Cause when I have anxiety, I wanna die. But when I'm by your side, it feels kinda nice. Everything coming clear, grey goose with the ice. I like that shit cold, have me feeling kinda right. And from my heart, you have that shit tight. When we kiss, I get warm inside. Bags on my eyes, they think that I'm high. Oh, you said you loved me, but then you said bye. Do you wanna be mine? Like I wanna be yours.
I feel like I'm digging deep with two hands in concrete. Some days I feel like I might leap. I'm on edge, would I be weak if I try to cease my pain? Or should I go on and pretend to be strong and fake claim to be okay and wait till these feelings they vacate? Don't stop holding me, I have this fear of losing you. The reality of you not here, I won't get used to. Don't stop holding me, I have this fear of losing you. The reality of you not here, I won't get used to. I better take my time, just breathe in. I'm losing my rhythm, time for me to redeem myself. After several times I called, I need to know the reason you severed the bond and all. After everything we've been through, still held you as gently as the morning dew. I know I'm far from perfect, I try to be but only on the surface. My heart is out of service and every day worsens, yeah. I'll be waiting